basic body reading, basically with what we learned today. We're going to see if the body is talking to you on the left side. Of course, we have somebody here that's very much in harmony, very harmonious body. We're going to see if the left side or the right side, what's going on. We're going to look at the face. We looked at chest line, waistline, and hip line. We can look at the legs. We can look at the feet. We can look at the face. And yeah, you can also feel around a little bit if you want to feel something. So yeah, this is a hands-on practice. So is there anything that talks to you, let's say right or left side? It's pretty even, right? Yes, yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So the breathing here? The breathing here?
Also that it's coming out a bit.
What?
From here it looks like it's out a bit. And it's not your precious belly.
Mm-hmm. So you feel more breath here.
I feel fullness.
Mm-hmm. And it's not, yes. Yes. Do you see that?
I see the
So
fullness
here.
and I can feel, and it's not your breast, it's really here over the
Mm-hmm.
ribs.
Right.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I saw that too. The 14s are up a little bit more as compared to the rest, and her breathing is here and less in here, right? So would that tell you that? So which locations are these? 14. That's right. And so they're on the front of the body. Does that tell you something about the descending energy or the ascending energy? Descending, yes. Is that exhale or inhale? Exhale. So something about energy going down, right? Of course, I'm going to also want to listen to her pulses. Well, put your hands here because they usually also tell a story. Okay. So superficial, it's interesting because I actually feel some chest line and some hip line. So this one was more quiet. So that is the one that's talking. It was quieter. So the 14 was talking because it was quiet. So if you want to feel, please do. Listen to the pulses.
So if it's quiet, it's talking, and if it's too loud, it is also
Yes.
making itself remarkable.
Yes.
No?
Yes. If it's too quiet and if it's so, it was the one that I didn't hear. I heard the other two, but not that one. And as I'm looking at her, so I'm going to mention some things now that maybe some of you don't necessarily, we didn't study this morning, but I see that here these are a little bit fuller, like the 21, yes? Her cheekbones are a little bit fuller. Do you see that?
Yes.
Hey, we have to pick on something.
Yeah.
But if anything, but that's, yes, yes, but yes, they are beautiful. This is where the stomach flow begins, and stomach also is a waistline flow, so it tells you about the 14s. So, you know, we're always looking for harmony in the body and how we can bring about more harmony. So maybe stomach is something that, yeah, and that I see her nodding. Her digestive system. Her digestive system is probably something that she can use mostly. So yeah, this side a little bit more than the other side. If it's okay, if the people can feel like right here to there, you can feel the difference. And stomach flow begins here, and large intestine flow ends there. Mark is okay.
I'm looking at her toe.
Mm-hmm.
Here. And
Yeah.
it's also it looks a bit different from this side.
Mm-hmm.
Could also have to do with waistline.
Yes.
And what goes through the big toe is the spleen,
Yes.
liver, and kidney.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
So that could also
Yes, liver and spleen. Liver and spleen.
Because it's this hip
yeah.
line and this waist and this chest. Or how does
Yes,
that work on the
yes,
toe?
but also bunions, and we just went over this flow pattern, the nine sequence, and 9 is also waistline. So that's a very good pickup. Yes. So now what's really starting to reveal more is waistline, if there's anything on her. And now I'm starting to just feel them, and I'm inviting you to feel. Her 9s feel pretty tight. So come around and yes, come in more than the 10s and the. So we feel mostly in her 9, if you want to feel it. And 9 is located right here, and it harmonizes on the waistline. Yeah, mostly 9. Yeah. So you can feel on the other side, Casper.
This is tendon here.
So waistline is really starting to reveal itself. So do we see more on the right side or the left side of her body when we just look at it?
On her right side.
On her right side. And Mark, do you remember the difference between right and left side? What does?
With our lifestyle.
Wait 1 second.
The right side has to do with our lifestyle,
Yeah.
with our
Yes.
doing side,
Yes.
and the left side is long-term genetic predispositions.
So what do we see here? More lifestyle related?
More lifestyle related.
Yeah, yeah. And sometimes we compensate, right? Underneath, there's a lot of left-sided stuff. And that may be for most people, but we compensate with the right side, with the lifestyle, the doing side. We compensate. And then as soon as we start to unload it, the left side comes more to the surface. So do you want to listen to her pulses and feel which side talks more to you? Mark, maybe you can come on this side and hold her 8s. Yeah, feel the difference between the right and the left also.
The left side is more quiet.
Okay. Mm-hmm. So what's revealing itself first is her right side. Huh? The right side is louder in her pulses, and we see it a little bit more in the body. Also on her cheekbone, you see the right side is a little bit more prominent than the left side. We see it more in her foot. And so maybe we would start with something with the right side. What do you feel in the 8s?
The right one is also.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So that's how we look at the body, and